Welcome back to the channel, where today, we're diving into the darker side of the chicken coop. Think all chickens are cute, cuddly, and calm? Think again. In this video, we're revealing the most aggressive chicken breeds, birds so bold, so territorial, they'll stop at nothing to dominate the roost. So buckle up and stay alert, because in this world, the beak is mightier than the feather. Let's uncover which chickens rule the coop through strength, dominance, and a whole lot of attitude. Chickens are often thought of as gentle, quirky farmyard companions, scratching in the dirt, clucking happily in their coops. But beneath the feathers and foul charm lies a world not often discussed, the darker, fiercer side of poultry behavior. Not all chickens are docile egg-layers or friendly feathered pets. Some breeds are known for their intense aggression, dominant attitudes, and even violent tendencies. If you're considering raising chickens or are just curious about the personalities that exist in the coop, prepare yourself for the untold truth about the most aggressive chicken breeds. These are birds that command respect, intimidate weaker flock mates, and can turn a peaceful barnyard into a battleground. Whether you're a farmer, a backyard hobbyist, or a curious viewer, it's time to meet the poultry warriors of the chicken world, those birds that rule the roost with an iron beak. It's no surprise that many of the most aggressive chickens hail from gamefowl ancestry. The Asil chicken, for instance, is one of the oldest and most notorious for aggression. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, Asil chickens were originally bred for cockfighting, and their temperament reflects centuries of careful selection for strength, bravery, and territorial dominance. An Asil rooster does not simply strut, he parades with the confidence of a warrior. With a compact body, muscular frame, and intense gaze, these birds are not ones to back down from a challenge. Even the hens have been reported to show combative behavior, sometimes attacking other hens over pecking order disputes. Their fighting instinct is so deeply ingrained that it's common for Asils to fight to the death if not separated from rivals. Despite their small size compared to modern commercial chickens, they're among the fiercest. Closely related in terms of temperament is the Shamo, a Japanese breed that also has deep roots in the gamefowl world. Shamos are tall, powerful, and look like feathered gladiators. They possess an upright posture, hard feathers, and a thick, muscular body built for combat. While they can form bonds with their human handlers if raised from chicks, Shamo roosters are infamous for attacking other birds and even humans who enter their territory unexpectedly. Their sharp claws and beaks can cause serious injury, and because they don't shy away from confrontation, they require secure housing and attentive management. Even when raised in a peaceful environment, Shamos retain their warrior spirit. In a flock, they will quickly rise to dominance and may challenge any rival without hesitation. Their piercing stare and slow, deliberate movements resemble those of a predator, always watching, always ready to strike. Another aggressive breed with a dramatic reputation is the Malay chicken. Standing tall with a hawk-like profile, Malays are among the tallest chicken breeds in the world, and they know it. These birds carry themselves with a haughty, almost arrogant demeanor. With origins traced back to Southeast Asia, Malays were not just bred for fighting but also admired for their unique body structure. However, that same strength and boldness translate into a personality that can be difficult to manage. Malay roosters, in particular, are known for aggressive outbursts and dominant behavior. They don't tolerate other males well and will often attempt to establish their supremacy through combat. Hens, too, can be territorial and irritable. What makes Malays especially challenging is their intelligence. They remember previous disputes and hold grudges, a rare trait in poultry. Once a Malay decides another bird is a threat, it won't stop until that threat is neutralized. Then there is the modern game breed, which may mislead people due to its elegant, slim appearance. With their long legs and refined posture, they look more like show birds than fighters. However, don't let appearances deceive you. These birds were developed from old fighting stock, and they carry the aggressive genetics of their ancestors. While they are now bred mainly for exhibition, the aggression still pulses through their veins. Modern game roosters are highly territorial, and their competitive nature often flares up during mating season. They can become dangerously violent with other roosters, and even the hens can be combative. Because of their alertness and intelligence, they're highly aware of their surroundings, and any perceived threat triggers defensive behavior. Farmers who handle these birds need to be cautious and provide ample space to prevent fights. It's not unusual for modern game birds to chase after intruders, sometimes even launching into the air to strike with their claws and beaks. In the realm of heritage breeds, one that often surprises keepers with its aggression is the Old English game chicken. Bred for centuries in England for cockfighting, this breed is not for the faint of heart. Old English game chickens are compact, agile, and incredibly fast. Their instinct to fight is so deeply ingrained that roosters will often attack anything that moves if they perceive it as a challenge. Even hens can display surprising levels of dominance, bullying other hens or attacking smaller breeds. Unlike more docile layers, Old English game chickens have a fiery spirit that can make coop life chaotic. It's not just about physical fighting, these birds are constantly sizing each other up, challenging dominance hierarchies, and asserting control. If two roosters of this breed are kept together without barriers, a fight is almost inevitable. These birds don't stop until one is defeated, and injuries are common if intervention doesn't occur swiftly. Another surprising addition to the aggressive chicken lineup is the Rhode Island Red. At first glance, this American dual-purpose breed seems harmless, robust, red-feathered, and excellent for eggs. However, under the right conditions, particularly with certain genetic lines, Rhode Island Red roosters can be among the meanest farm birds around. Many farmers have stories of these roosters attacking them from behind, chasing children, or relentlessly asserting their dominance. What makes their aggression even more challenging? A fully grown Rhode Island Red rooster can weigh over 8 pounds and packs a powerful peck. When provoked or when they feel their hens are threatened, they become defensive and territorial. Unlike gamefowl breeds that display clear warning signs before attacking, Rhode Island Reds can be sneaky and sudden with their aggression. Their unpredictability has made them both admired for their toughness and feared for their temperament. The Cornish breed, especially the dark Cornish variety, is another powerhouse of poultry aggression. Originally developed in England, Cornish chickens were used both for meat production and as fighters in the cockfighting pits. Their low, broad bodies and strong muscles make them formidable opponents in a fight. They don't move with the grace of a gamefowl but charge with brute strength. Cornish roosters, in particular, are aggressive toward other males and can also be defensive toward humans. They're known to guard their hens jealously and won't hesitate to launch an attack on intruders. Their short tempers and power make them a breed best suited for experienced keepers. While they do well as broilers, their aggressive traits can make mixed flock environments a risky proposition. Farmers often report broken combs, injuries, and missing feathers when Cornish birds are kept with less dominant breeds. Among the lesser-known yet fiercely aggressive chickens is the Belgian Fighter. As the name suggests, this breed was developed for one purpose: to fight. Liege fighters are massive, muscular birds that combine size with savagery. Originally bred in Belgium, they carry the legacy of centuries of cockfighting tradition. These chickens are not only aggressive but highly strategic. They use their weight, claws, and speed to dominate opponents. While many game breeds have been mellowed over generations, the Liege Fighter remains a true warrior. Roosters are extremely aggressive, and they will fight even larger animals if provoked. Their aggressive tendencies make them unsuitable for beginner farmers, especially those who plan to integrate multiple breeds or allow free-range interaction. Even in controlled environments, Liege Fighters require sturdy fencing, secure housing, and constant supervision to avoid injury to other birds, or even humans. Another breed worth mentioning is the Oriental Game, known for both its stunning appearance and combative disposition. These birds are bold, sleek, and built like athletes. They're active, alert, and often quick to respond with aggression when challenged. Oriental game roosters are especially territorial and will not tolerate another male in their domain. While some lines have been bred for ornamental use, the aggressive instincts remain just below the surface. These birds have been known to fly at opponents with spurs ready, delivering blows with astonishing speed and force. Even when raised in isolation, their natural combativeness can emerge. Handlers need to exercise caution, especially during feeding or cleaning, as these birds don't always distinguish between threats and routine human activity. In backyard settings, many people have been surprised by the aggression of the Dominique chicken. Often mistaken for a docile heritage breed, some lines of Dominiques have been reported to produce particularly feisty roosters. Their aggression tends to be defensive rather than predatory. They strike when they perceive a threat to their hens or territory. The key danger lies in their unpredictability. A Dominique rooster may appear calm for weeks and then suddenly lash out. This ambush-style aggression can be particularly dangerous for children or pets in the yard. Despite their historical reputation as a family-friendly bird, modern breeding practices and the survival of the fittest mentality within backyard flocks have allowed more aggressive traits to persist in some Dominique lines. Even the buff Orpington, typically celebrated as one of the gentlest chicken breeds, can develop aggression under certain conditions. While it's rare, roosters from aggressive bloodlines have been known to turn hostile, particularly when they sense challenges to their authority. Their size adds to the danger. They're large, heavy birds, and when they choose to fight, they hit hard. It serves as a reminder that even among friendly breeds, individual personality and genetics can play a massive role in behavior. A well-raised buff Orpington may be the cuddliest bird in the coop, but under stress or during mating season, territorial instincts can override their usual calm nature. So, there you have it, the fiercest chickens on the planet, each with their own attitude, power, and territorial drive. From the legendary Asil and the battle-hardened Shamo, to the towering Malay and sharp-tempered Rhode Island Red, these are not the birds you want to turn your back on. The sleek but savage modern game, the relentless Old English game, and the bulldozer-like Cornish remind us that aggression can come in all shapes and sizes. Then we have the heavyweight warrior, the liege fighter, and the intense Oriental game, both bred for strength and survival. And even the normally calm buff Orpington or the traditional Dominique can surprise you with an unexpected burst of fury. Whether you're raising chickens for meat, eggs, or show, knowing your breeds is critical. Choose wisely, prepare carefully, and never underestimate what's lurking behind those feathers. In the world of poultry, dominance is everything, and sometimes, the coop becomes a combat zone. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our wildest livestock stories. And remember, respect the rooster, beware the peck.